Hello everybody and welcome back to CHEZ Aviation. Today we have something very, very unique. Today I am on the floor like Jennifer Lopez, as you might say. But the main event is we do have some fireworks as it is New Year's Eve and it's almost 2024. For you it's already 2024, so in fact I'm kind of time traveling a bit. One might call this a crate, but no, it's not a crate. It's a cake. Not the cake you are thinking of. This cake is very special because these types of cakes shoot flaming balls. I do not think your local bakery can do that. Opening cake to our show tonight. It is Palm Beach. This one is a 200-gram cake, a 16-shot cake, as you can see on the top. And, by the way, all of our fireworks today are going to be Shogun Fireworks, great company. Fire in the Night. It is another 16-shot, 200-gram cake. It's the cheapest cake in our entire set, only at $14. More bang for your buck. It is one of the most unique cakes I have ever seen. It doesn't shoot out of the top like most. It has these tubes that you would usually see on a rack. Long haul right here is the largest cake, having several just regular breaks, as you can see in the picture right here. But it also does have some zipper shells for variety, and it is one of the longest cakes I have ever seen, being over a minute long. That is a lot for a singular cake. Party on. This one is very similar to long haul because it has regular shells, as well as, it's a 200-gram cake, as well as some small zipper shells, and I think even a couple Saturn missiles. And now on to our heaviest cake of the day. There are 500 grams in this cake, and it honestly looks like what you would see out of a rack, because look at how big these tubes are. I have never seen that on a cake before, only on racks. But on this cake right here, called Halo, it does not have a regular break. It does indeed erupt like a halo, and it shoots out from the center, creating a very cool ring with a crackle. Red Hot Peppers. Used to be called Red Hot Chili Peppers, but the band did not like that, so they ended up changing the name right here. It is a zipper cake with 4 regular breaks at the end, but this zipper cake, and by the way, a zipper cake shoots left and right, usually very rapidly. This one is going to be very rapid, all using red colors. But the thing is, this 53-shot zipper cake is going to be paired with something else. I'm going to be pairing Red Hot Peppers with our finale air cracker, which is by far the most impressive cake tonight. 25 shots, and it has 500 grams again, but it has some huge loud breaks with some great variety, and they move very fast. And both of these cakes, Red Hot Peppers and this, last 20 seconds, so both of those will be lit at the same time to create a nice eventful finale. This guy is called Bring It On. It's very interesting because I've never seen a cake this thin before. It is only Roman candles. It is very, very small, but Roman candles do not explode if you're new here, because I know this is an aviation channel, so I'm not going to use all the lingo without explaining it. These Roman candles will go up and not explode. These are just a nice little light, and they do rapid fire towards the end. This one is a 96-shot zipper cake. This is the Off and Running firework. This one is called Off and Running. It is a very, very cool cake. I believe this one has 500 grams of gunpowder in it, which is the max you can legally do for consumer fireworks. Without further ado, here is our final order of show. We have made some revisions, and here are a couple pictures after we took the tops off the fireworks and carried it over to begin today's show. Hey everybody at CHEZ, you've seen the intro, so without further ado now, it is time to light off this fireworks show. Let there be light. Let's go, y'all. This is CHEZ Aviation. More bang for your buck. Let's go, y'all.
2024.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen at CHEZ Aviation, that was one amazing show. You can see behind me right here all of our duds. Everything went off absolutely perfectly. I'm glad that you enjoyed the show. And remember, like and subscribe. And whether it's day or night for you, thank you for choosing to watch CHEZ Aviation.
Subscribe to CHEZ Aviation.